Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply a Starlight overlay to your videos in CapCut Mobile. So here you can just add the video that you want to edit and find the Starlight overlay from CapCut's stock videos or library. So click on overlay, click on add overlay, go to the CapCut library, and here search for Starlight. So type in Starlight, enter. Okay, so you can see there are lots of Starlight video that you can add. So for example, I'm going to add this one. Click on the video, then click on add. You can just fit the size until it covers all of the main clips. Go to Splice or blend at the bottom, then select the filter mode and adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 65, click on a check icon, and you are done. So this is the Starlight overlay for your videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.